po. Thank you, Coach Jessie. Ayan. So, thank you po sa lahat na nandito ngayon sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club. Ako po si Aika Villa Ignacio from Santa Rosa, Laguna. So, share ko lang po very quickly yung aking Herbalife journey. So, before Herbalife po, I used to work in a hotel overseas and doon po sa trabaho namin, libre po yung pagkain. So, I was working long hours every day, 15, 16 hours a day, 7 days a week, walang day off. So, most of the food na kinakain ko noon was sa trabaho and maraming unhealthy choices sa pagkain, ganyan. So, that resulted to excess weight, low energy, so very sluggish yung energy. And when I decided to be on the personalized program in healthy active lifestyle of Herbalife, uh, that changed a lot kasi yung because I decided to change my breakfast into a healthier one, meaning aloe tea and shake basically and other supplements of Herbalife. My energy went from very low na ngayon, mas marami ka ng energy to do more things other than work. Ayun, and nagkaroon ka ng better understanding to make better choices every day. And now, in my 30s, I'm just very excited to live a happier and healthier life together with Herbalife. Ayan. So before po tayo mag-start, pakita ko lang din po yung ating recipes for today. Ayan. So today, excited ako kasi ang isi-share ko sa inyo, recipes po that you can create the night before. So dalawa pong recipes ito na overnight recipes. So bakit naman tayo prepare beforehand? So maraming ano yan, possible reasons why you want to prepare something beforehand. Like kung gusto mo magbaon, okay, like in the morning, gusto mo ng something more special than your usual breakfast shake, or meron kang gustong pabaunan ng ano, no, something special. So we have two. First is our overnight French toast in a bowl. Ayan. So interesting, di ba kakain tayo ng tinapay. Pero makikita niyo later ano yung mga ihahalo natin dyan to make it herbified. So, sige po, next slide. Yan, you can take photo din po pala. Take a screenshot na lang. And then later on, I will go through naman din po all the items in the recipe. So, this one naman is our chia blueberry overnight oats. So, we have two recipes for today. So, start na po tayo. Okay, so let's start with our overnight French toast in a bowl. Sige po, pwede na natin i-close yung ating slide. So, okay. Basically, all we need is our Formula 1 shake for this recipe. So, ito lang siya. So, kung ito lang yung meron ka, very good kasi magagawa mo itong recipe na to. So, first, what we have to do is to prepare a bowl. Okay. So, here in this bowl, dyan natin ilalagay yung ating mixture. Okay. So, una, I have here our bread. So, this is bread na luma na. So, nandito na sa house namin for about 3 days. So, this one, you can use your wheat bread, your whole wheat, or any bread na meron kayo. Okay. So, this one, this is a multigrain, gluten-free bread. Ito yung aking gagamitin. So, cut lang natin siya into cubes. Yan. So, for this recipe, kahit isang ano lang po, slice ng tinapay. Then, kung for the whole family siya, dodoblehin nyo lang po yung recipe. Okay, so, yan. Now that it's cut, okay, we'll blend in yung ating wet ingredients. So, we have our 120 ml non-fat milk. Okay, so lagay lang natin siya dito sa ating bowl. Okay. Also, we have here 1 piece of egg. Sama din natin siya dyan. And then we have our Formula 1 French vanilla. So, Coach, paano po kung meron lang po ako dulce de leche flavor? Pwede. Cookies and cream, wala namang problema. Wild berry, hindi ako sure, pero you can try din. So, any flavor, I guess, pwede naman siya. Maging adventurous din tayo. Pero if, very versatile yung ating, no, French vanilla. So, pwede sa atin. So, we just add in our Formula 1, 2 scoops. So, in the recipe, nilagay nila doon na yung cinnamon, lalagay mo lang siya on top of your cooked French toast. Pero with me kasi, mas gusto ko siya na naka-incorporate doon sa lasa ng bread, no? So, naka-seep through na siya. So, mas ma-feel mo yung taste. So, you can do either lagay nyo siya sa mixture or ilagay nyo siya pag naluto na. Pero you can also omit kung ikaw yung taong ayaw sa cinnamon powder. So, just a dash of that. And then let's mix. So, make sure mo lang na well incorporated siya. Very simple lang to.
Coach, yun bang cinnamon, is it optional or talagang dapat meron siya?
Ayun, optional naman po siya if may mga tao kasi na hindi sila sanay sa lasa ng cinnamon. So, okay lang naman po na tanggalin din natin. Pero mas magiging fragrant po yung yung inyong French toast pag may cinnamon. Okay, now that we have our wet mixture, so lalagay po natin itong ating cubed up bread sa sa ating milk and shake mixture. So, ilulubog mo lang siyang ganyan. So, if you want na dagdagan pa na more bread, no problem. Kasi medyo mas pa siya, yung marami pa siyang liquid. Pero kasi isusok natin siya overnight. So, what you have to do right now is lagyan niyo siya ng plastic wrap, just like this one. Okay? And then, ilagay niyo lang po siya sa fridge. Okay? Para din hindi mo makalimutan, pwede mo na ilagay yung raisins or yung fresh fruit kasi, ilalagay natin siya on top pag nandito na. So, this one, the raisins, pwede mo na siyang ilagay. Isama mo na siya sa mix. Okay. So, anong gagawin natin? So, let's say na ano mo na siya, na nailagay mo na siya sa fridge overnight, and in the morning, what do you have to do? So, this one, dinisign yung recipe to be cooked in a microwave. So, some people, they don't have microwave at home. So, anong pwede mong gawin? So, it's either you place it inside your air fryer or even place it on a non-stick pan. Pwede nyo pa rin siyang mailuto. So, ito, conveniently, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa microwave for 2.5 to 3 minutes. Ganun po, mabilis lang. So, syempre, since this is an overnight recipe, I made it last night. And ito po yung kalalabasan niya. Once isa lang nyo siya sa microwave, I did it in the microwave and then about a minute sa air fryer. So, ito na po siya. So, from this wet
Wow.
mixture, ayan. So, ito
Wow.
na po yung ating cook na overnight French toast na herbified with our Formula 1 French vanilla. So, any fruit will do. Ayan. So, Coach Jessie, gusto mo na bang tikman? Meron na ako ano dito. Ayan. So,
Sarap mo maging kapit ba? Tagat.
ayan. So, later nga may mga kakain nito kasi we have a training inside the nutrition club. So, later papatigin ko sa kanila yan. Ayan. So, yung mga attend ng training later makakatikim. Okay. So, let's move on to our next recipe. Tanggalin ko lang muna ito. Okay, so very easy din po. A nutrition club favorite. So, it's chia blueberry overnight oats. So, hindi ganun ka-common ang blueberry. So, later, pag-usapan natin ano din yung mga alternatives na pwede nyo gamitin. So, in a bowl, okay, we have our yogurt. So, ang yogurt po is about 120 grams. Pwede siyang plain yogurt and then you'll add in yung, alam niyo yung ano, uh, blueberry topping na ginagamit sa mga cheesecake. Pwede niyo siyang gawing as flavoring. Pero if you have access to frozen blueberries na mas, kumbaga mas natural, mas okay din yun. So, what I have here is yung blueberry flavored yogurt na siya. Okay, so, again, nyo lang siya sa bowl. Yan. And then, add in your 120 ml of water. So, paghaluin nyo pa sila. Meron po ba sa inyo na gumagawa na ng kanilang overnight oats? If yes, ano yung hinahalo ninyo na fruit or Formula 1 flavor? Okay. So, now, what we're going to add is our oatmeal. So, yung oatmeal po, you can use rolled oats, you can use instant oats, lahat ng ano, pwede ninyong, kung anong meron kayo at home. Not necessarily kailangan pang bumili, no? So, pero masarap, texture-wise, masarap talaga yung rolled oats. It's just that wala akong available. So, this one is instant oats. So, add that. And then, chia seeds. So chia seeds, very good as a source of omega-3 fatty acids. So we also have Herbalife Lime. So counterpart, no, you can have your fish oil filled with omega-3, and then this one is also an alternative. So chia seeds. And then we'll add in our Formula 1 French vanilla again. So kung gusto mo na ilagay wild berry or kasi parang bagay siya berry and wild berry. You can add in your cookies and cream. Pwede. So to make it extra special, I have here, so this is Formula 1. So this one naman is called Formula 3 Personalized Protein Powder. And ito pong personalized protein powder, in just 20 calories, you get an additional 5 grams of protein for every scoop. So, mas lalong nakakabusog, mas nakakatulong to build your lean muscle mass. This is your upgrade yan, sa inyong shakes, and ganitong mga snacks. So, 1 scoop of our PPP. So, dito sa Nutrition Club namin, very famous na yung kanilang regular shake. Mag-top up sila ng kanilang personalized protein powder. Okay, so now, gagawin lang natin is to mix everything up. Okay. So, dun po sa mga bago lang din na nutrition club, you can also serve this one. Pwede nyo to i-offer as a healthy snack option. Okay. So, magiging ganito yung kanya texture. Okay. So, medyo, ano siya, no, yung na-absorb na yung liquid. So, pwede niyo siyang dagdagan ng either more water or a bit of non-fat milk para mas, ano pa siya, yung mas mag-expand pa. So, iiwan niyo lang din po ito covered sa fridge niyo overnight. So, syempre, ginawa ko na din siya kagabi. And this is how it will look like if you're gonna serve it in the nutrition club. So ito naman po siya. So this one naman, top now with frozen blueberries. Ayan. So you have your chia blueberry overnight oats. So if you want to make it as strawberry overnight oats, mango overnight oats, pwede po. And by the way, both of these recipes are provided po by Herbalife. So ang ano po nito, nag-create po nito is Susan Bowerman. And these recipes po, available po siya as a, meron po recipe book. And if you don't have that copy yet, ask your coach kasi po, dun sa recipe book na yon, you get every items na pwede for breakfast, snacks, even soups and appetizers meron doon. So, I'm just happy to recreate these recipes and evaluated by Herbalife. So, ito po mga recipes na to I created by them. And it's so nice to be part of this community kasi, di ba, you get all these recipes to enjoy din po. So, kanina, si Coach Cecil, shinare niya kanina dun sa, ano, no, na pwede nyo i-prepare your aloe and tea just like this, like your iced tea. So now I have my snack or my breakfast together with my iced tea na aloe and tea lang na magkasama. So, ayun. So, masarap ang breakfast ko. How about you guys? Gagawin nyo na ba yung ating recipe? Ayan. So, Coach Jessie, ikaw ba?
Yes, coach. Naku, gustong-gusto ko rin niyang gawin, pero mas masipag ka sa akin.
So,
So, gusto ko
ayun.
pili. So, thank you so much, coach. So, nakakatuwa naman. So, basta ikaw ay gumagawa ng mga ganyang mga recipe talaga. Tingin ko, napakasipag mo. So, sinishare niyo po ba yan sa inyong nutrition club, coach?
Yes po, actually yung ating overnight oats, ano po yan, Nutrition Club favorite po yan. And then the French toast naman later. Dahil meron akong mixture dito, papatikim ko po yan doon sa mga magte-training inside the NC.
Sana isa ako sa attendee. Thank you po. So, thank you, Miss Ira Panganiban for joining us today. Salamat po. Sana marami kayong natutunan kay Coach Aika. Thank you, Coach Aika. Back to you, Ma'am Cecil.
Ay, gusto ko din. Alam mo, gusto ko lang din kumain. Ang sarap. Sa totoo lang, Jess, alam mo, sa totoo lang, ako talaga, somebody has to prepare for me kasi, alam mo, pero para gawa na, ayan, nakakain na ako.
Yes,
Thank you so
po.
much, guys. Thank you, Jess, for today. And thank you, Ma'am Annalyn. We had a great morning for our virtual nutrition club. Ang saya lang. Kasi, ayan, si Aika talagang, talaga nakikita niyo ha, na talagang paano niya minumuestra yung ginagawa niya. So, it's so easy, so simple, gagayahin lang natin. Thank you sa inyong lahat na tumulong today, Berlin, Lori, Joy, lahat po